Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Salesforce objects and fields after schema changes, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Salesforce objects and fields after schema changes, begin by assessing the situation. Identify which objects and fields have been affected by the changes. Log into your Salesforce account and navigate to the Setup menu. In the Setup menu, locate the Object Manager section. Select the specific object that requires restoration. Once in the Object Detail page, check for the Fields and Relationships section. Review the list of fields to identify any that were deleted or modified. If a deleted field is listed, you can restore it from the Recycle bin. To access the Recycle bin, click on the App Launcher and search for Recycle bin. In the Recycle bin, locate the deleted fields or select the fields or objects, then choose the option to restore them. If the field was modified, consider rolling back to an earlier version if available. For rolling back, check your field history to see if the prior values can be restored. If you are using change sets or backups, you can reference them for any missing configurations. Navigate back to the Object Manager and configure any additional field settings as needed. Make sure to reapply any necessary validation rules or page layouts that may have been affected. Test the restored fields and objects thoroughly to ensure functionality. Communicate with your team about the changes to maintain awareness of the updates. Document the schema changes and restoration process for future reference. Continuously monitor for any further issues after restoration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.